Look, so we said this one is triangle, has three sides. Each side is a line segment. Each side is a line segment. What I mean by line segment, yes, and Atash.
Yeah.
What I mean by line segment. At start point, what's wrong? Why do you laugh?
He's crying from laughing.
No. It's not time to waste it. Yazan? I know. Yazan, please answer me. What I mean by line segment?
Line segment.
Yeah.
It's like you put.
The line segment has how many endpoints? 2 endpoints. Look, this one and this one.
1 and 2.
2 endpoints. Okay. So how many sides for the triangle? We said 3. 3, right? 3. Then what is that?
This is a square.
A square. This is a square. Okay. So look, how many sides for the square?
4.
Boys, how many sides for square?
4.
Yes, Saleh.
What is a shape that has 2 sides?
2 sides? Is this polygon if we have 2 sides?
No, Mr. 4.
Saleh said, can we say this one is polygon? It's closed shape. We need to find, it's open shape. We need to find it closed. Is it closed?
No.
It's not closed.
We will do like this, Mr. Look.
Yeah,
The
so
shapes have to be closed.
so at least you have to find three sides at least. Okay.
Like this.
Okay. Yes, like that. Osama, draw 3. So any 3 sides, you can call them what? Call them triangle. 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 All right. Then
Okay.
4 sides. Yes, Saleh, you have any question?
What you just said?
If we have 4 sides, any 4 sides, you can say it's quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Repeat after me. Quadrilateral.
Lateral.
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
That's right. What if I have 5 sides? What if I have 5 sides like that? Another name called pentagon. Pentagon.
Wait.
Polygon. Polygon.
Pentagon. Pentagon. Then if I have 6 sides, listen, if I have 6 sides like that, called hexagon.
Polygon.
Hexagon. Listen, boys. Listen. So we said,
Hexagon.
My real name is Rafa.
listen, Osama, focus, please. We said here we have 4 sides. So this one is a triangle. 3 sides is triangle. Triangle. Repeat after me. Triangle.
Triangle.
No, triangle.
Triangle.
Then any 4 sides, like square, like rectangle, like rhombus, all of them we can say quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. The square, look, the square, the rectangle, the rhombus, like if I draw something like that, Saleh, look. What is this? This is rhombus. We have 4 sides, so we can say it's a quadrilateral. Also, if I draw something like that, this is a rectangle. The rectangle also have 4 sides. Any 4 sides, we can say it's what? It's a quadrilateral. It's what? Saleh? It's quadrilateral. So any 4 sides is quadrilateral. What about the 5 sides. Pentagon.
Pentagon.
5 sides. Pentagon. Pentagon. You know the name of the Ministry of Defense in US? Pentagon. The building of the Ministry of Defense is Pentagon.
Yeah, I know it. It's Pentagon. I know it.
In US, yeah. Also, if we have 6 sides, it's called hexagon. 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 Okay. But guess what? If I have 7 sides,
Polygon.
heptagon.
Pentagon.
Heptagon.
It's with a P, not a B.
If I have,
Name.
yeah, heptagon. Heptagon. If I have 8 sides, it's octagon.
Where's the polygon?
All of them are polygons. All of them are polygons. All of them.
All.
Yeah. Supposed to be closed shape. Closed shape. Okay. If I have
Okay, the
9, you know the nanotechnology? Nanogon.
Oh.
Nanogon. Then if I have 10 sides, decagon. Decagon. So look.
What? How do I?
So from 5 to 10, the end is gone. Gone. So we can memorize. Listen, we can memorize them by that. Penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nano, deca.
There is a song like this.
Yes, we can say penta gone, hexa gone, hepta gone, octa gone, nano gone, deca gone. Again. Benta, hexa, penta, again, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nano, deca. Okay, so
Teacher, where
yeah.
you bring this difficult
is a
No,
word.
they are Greek names. They are Greek names. It's not English name.
teacher?
Yeah.
What? Where you're bringing this difficult word?
No, it's not. They are not difficult. If you try to repeat them more and more, you will get them in your mind. Osama, how if we have 3 sides, what is the name?
3 sides? Triangle.
4 sides?
4 sides? Octagonal.
Quadrilateral.
Or quadrilateral.
Again. Quadrilateral. Say it again.
Quadrilateral.
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 If we have 5 sides, pentagon.
Pentagon.
6 sides, hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9, nanogon. Then 10 sides, decagon. I think it's very easy. Now listen. Listen. Listen.
Hi there, welcome to Math Antics. So far in our series in geometry, we've learned about points, lines, planes, and angles. In this lesson, we're going to learn about another important element of geometry. We're going to learn about polygons. You probably already know a lot about polygons because you see them all the time. Here are some common examples that you might recognize. These shapes are all polygons. That's because a polygon just means a multi-sided shape. And these shapes all have multiple sides. Okay, so that's a basic definition of a polygon. But to really understand what is a polygon and what is not a polygon, we need to learn about the specific properties that all polygons have in common. First, we need to know the 3 parts that make up all polygons. And these parts are sides, vertices, and angles. The sides are just the straight line segments that make up a polygon. And the vertices are the points where the sides intersect. And the angles are formed by the intersecting lines. In fact, in Greek, the word polygon literally means many angles. So all polygons have sides, vertices, and angles. This polygon here has 5 sides, 5 vertices, and it forms 5 angles. The next thing we need to know about polygons is that they're closed shapes. Now, what does it mean for a shape to be closed, you ask? Well, it means that the sides are connected so that there are no gaps. The area inside the shape is separated from the area.
Saleh, now you know what is the meaning of polygon?
What?
What is the meaning of polygon regarding to this video? Again,
Many
listen.
sides,
Yeah, many
sides.
sides, many angles, but supposed to be closed shape.
Shapes. Now, what does it mean for a shape to be closed, you ask? Well, it means that the sides are connected so that there are no gaps. The area inside the shape is separated from the area outside the shape, and there's no way to get from the inside to the outside without crossing a line. It might help to think of a closed shape like a cage. If you put an ant inside the cage, then there's no way for it to get out without crossing a line. But if the shape is open, then there is a way out.
Osama?
Without crossing a line. But if the shape is open, then
Can we say this is a polygon? This one?
What?
This one is polygon or not polygon? We can find a gap. It's open shape, like it's open.
Not
So
all
any
that.
open shape, can we say it's polygon?
Nope.
It's not polygon.
No.
But if we go back like that, is it polygon?
It's
Yes.
This
Yeah.
is polygon, but this one
Polygon. Not
is not polygon. This one
no.
polygon. This one is not polygon because we have gap here. It's open shape, supposed to be closed shape. Like, okay, Saleh, you got it?
then there is a way out. So
Polygon
these are all examples
What is your question?
doesn't polygon doesn't mean many sides
of closed shapes.
and many angles.
These are all examples of open shapes. And the important thing to remember is that a polygon must be closed. And the last thing we need to know about polygons is that they're two-dimensional or flat shapes. And that means that all the vertices must lie on the same plane. If any one of the vertices were to move forwards or backwards so that it wasn't on the same plane as all the other vertices, then it wouldn't be a flat shape anymore. Flat shapes are also called planar shapes because all of their points
Planar shapes means when we able to draw a shape on a paper. It's not like a cube or a cuboid or anything have 3-dimension shapes. 3 dimensions like length, width, and height. Only we have this shape, we can draw it on a paper, and that means 2D shapes.
are on the same plane. And even though polygons themselves can't be 3D shapes, you can use polygons to make 3D shapes, like a box, for example. The box is not a polygon, but each of its flat sides is a polygon. All right then, we now have a specific definition of a polygon. A polygon is a multi-sided shape that has sides, vertices, and angles. A polygon is a closed shape, and a polygon is a two-dimensional or a flat shape.
Yazan Al-Ghamdi, what are the properties of a polygon?
I don't know.
You can read them, the properties.
Oh, yeah. Polygon multi-sided,
What I mean by multi-sided, you have to find sides, vertices, angles. Also, we have one more condition. Supposed to be closed shape, not open. Also, it's 2D shape, flat.
And now that you know that, it's time to play Polygon or Not a Polygon. Now here's your host, me. Thank you. All right. Now the rules of the game are simple. I'm going to show you a shape, and you tell me if it's a polygon or not a polygon. Are you ready to play? Our first shape is a square. Is a square a polygon?
Who can tell me, is this a polygon?
No.
Osama said,
It's not a polygon.
it's not a polygon. Saleh? Yazan?
Teacher, don't mute me. Oh,
It's a polygon. Mister, don't mute me.
Okay, is this polygon?
No.
It's not
No.
polygon. Why?
No.
So they have 5 sides. Or 6
Polygon.
sides, 6 sides.
We said any shape with sides and angles is polygon. Like triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, all of them are polygons.
so that's
It's a polygon. It's a polygon.
Mister, it's polygon.
So this one is polygon. Omar, do you say it's polygon? Abdurrahman, Muhammad, this one is polygon or not?
It's not. No.
It's not? Why? We said
It is,
supposed to
it
be
is,
closed
it
figure.
is. Yes. No, this. Okay, mister, let's go.
It has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and it's a closed.
See, I told you it's
So
polygon.
it is a polygon.
Don't mute me.
And next we have, not exactly sure what to call
Go
it.
back to the book.
Is it a polygon? Nope. It's close.
Polygon, not
Because it's an
polygon.
open shape, it can't be a polygon. All right, what about this one? Polygon or not polygon? Yep, it is a polygon.
Polygon.
Even though the sides aren't all the same length, it is a closed 2D multi-sided shape. In fact, if you count, you'll see that it has 7 sides. What about this one? Is a circle a polygon? Well, it is a closed 2D shape, but how many sides does it have? Now that's the problem. A circle doesn't have any straight sides, vertices, or angles. It's a curved shape, so it's not a polygon.
It's not polygons. Why? It's not polygon because we can't see any side here, any straight line like that. You know what I mean by
Yeah.
straight line? Straight line, like, look,
Yeah, I know. Like my like that.
line segment like that, line segment like that. There is no line segment inside, so we can't say it's polygon. Okay,
Next, we have a star shape, just like me. Is it a polygon? Yup. It has straight sides and vertices, and it's a closed 2D shape. That means it's a polygon. And what about this one? Right you are. This is not a polygon. It's a dog. Here's an interesting one. It's a closed 2D shape that does have straight sides and vertices, but it also has this curved part here. Can it still be a polygon with that curve there? No! The curved part disqualifies it as a polygon. Polygon has to have only straight sides, so this is not a polygon. And what about this guy here? Is this a polygon? Well, it is just straight lines, but 2 of those lines cross. And if any lines cross, it can't be a polygon. Plus, he has this big open end here. So this guy is definitely not a polygon. And last of all, what about this one? Right you are. This is not a polygon because it's a 3D shape. It's made from polygons, but the whole shape is not a polygon itself. Well,